My heart just got stuck between these loops.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and today we have our F30 carbon fiber door trim handles. And actually, to be honest with you, I was skeptical about this product, but the quality for $28 each, it's actually not too bad. Okay, so from what I've read about this product is it fits for the F30 front and back door panels. So you just need to buy 2 of each, and whatever the front size is, it'll fit in the back. Hey guys, so right now we are starting on the rear door just to see if it actually fits for the back door, and if it doesn't, then we will know that it doesn't fit and we'll probably get a replacement. But check this out. Oh man, it looks so good. That's, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty nice. You can see how messy my car is. Yeah, we'll put this aside. But if you look on the back, there's this big L-shaped pin on the door. Right here, there's like a little opening. There's like a little pin that holds that little L shape closed. So we will just need to see if we could pry that out, put the pin in behind that, and then take the L shape out. If not, we can just start from the top or wherever there's a big crease we can find. See how it goes. That's easy. Alright, so what I found was just don't baby it, I guess. Everything is good. Taken out. Let's put on the new one. Look at the difference between these two. We got the old one. Silver, it's alright. We got our carbon fiber. Not really real carbon fiber, I believe. Alright guys, so we have taken out the trim, and this is what it looks like from the inside. And from the bottom, this clip right here is what you need to push in order to take that little latch out. So you push this, that little latch will pop out that way, and then you can just pop it out this way, start unclipping all of these, and then just take it out, slide it this way. Then you should be good to go. We're gonna put the carbon fiber one in and we'll see how it looks. See you guys in a second. So I believe we just pry this out a little bit so we could slide this little latch in. So put it in, slide it, pop it, right? Let's see. Alright guys, so the door trim is fully seated, but it's not really as snug as OEM. I mean, this is really hard compared to this one. It's not even flexible, but the fitting is good from here all the way to here, and then here we have a little wiggle but it could be that little pin loose, so I'll try see if I can tighten it out. Or we could just there's a lot of room down here. Alright guys, so this is the front passenger side, and then we're moving on to the back passenger side to show you the after. Alright guys, so this is the back passenger side. So as you can see, it looks really good. The fitting is actually good all the way to here. This is the play I was talking to you about. Not a big deal. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of bothers me a little bit. And there's like a little gap in there. I don't know, but yeah, I'd say fitting is 9.5 out of 10. Maybe that pin out there is just a little loose, but we'll figure it out. And also, when I started this gap wasn't that big when it started, but yeah, you can probably squeeze it. I don't know. Quality looks good. Let's move on to other doors. See and finish this project. Alright guys, so we're here at the left passenger door. We're gonna go change this out. Then we'll do the rest of the doors and I'll show you the final product. See you in a second.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of.
There we have it. It's on, but just like the other side, there's a lot of play on the bottom side, so I don't think we're gonna. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed with the bottom part, but nothing we could do at this time yet. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but let's worry about getting the last two in and then see how it goes. Actually, it looks good already looking at this. Alright guys, so we are moving on to the front passenger side, and yeah, let's finish this project because the sun's not waiting for us. He's not on our side. Alright, let's do it.
Lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love is you and I. Close, close, so cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Okay, so what I've noticed with all of these trims, they fit perfectly from the top all the way to almost the bottom. This one's a little worse because you guys hear that? It clicks, but it doesn't latch perfectly. That is so annoying. And there's like no way to just like pull this down to make it latch, if you know what I mean. So that kind of annoys me, but it's sturdy. It feels very sturdy, except for that bottom part. Okay, last one. see how it goes. What do you guys think? Is it worth it or no? Was it worth the hassle? To be honest, it looks good. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. It looks good. It says scratch resistant on the website, but if you want one, I will link the product down below. It looks good. And I think we're gonna have to do more carbon fiber on the interior because half of it's still silver. So, all right, guys. So here is the final product, and I think it looks pretty amazing. It's high quality, it's highly durable, it's scratch resistant, so you don't have to worry about scratching it much. But yeah, I think the only downside is just the bottom part. It has so much play. But it's not noticeable unless you actually squish it, wiggle it, press it. I don't know. But yeah, look at that. Hey guys, so we just finished the project. What do you guys think? I think it looks good, but however, you look over here, these are all still silver. That's also still silver. So are these. So I think there's only one way to do it. We're gonna go all out. Go all out carbon fiber. What do you guys think? Because I know they sell some more of these on eBay or Amazon. These on Amazon and this on Amazon. This on Amazon. But not gonna lie, it looks really good, especially with the black interior, black seats, black ceilings. Kind of completes the look, almost. Yeah, we'll do these next. Hey guys, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you liked it. I will link the product down in the description box, and we actually have a couple of parts that just came in and we'll do a video about them. But I'm more stoked about tomorrow because we have an autocross from BMW. We got invited to go either Del Mar or Santa Anita, but I'm still here in San Diego, so I took up Del Mar and I got busy for the date Santa Anita. But yeah, we'll take up Del Mar and we'll try to get some POV videos. I think we're driving the new M440i, so I think the M440i is an X drive, so handling is going to be a lot more responsive from what I've told, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.